nga po, no, with that announcement ay nagkampiyon na nga po ang San Miguel Beermen sa PBA 49 season Philippine Cup Finals after beating TNT in 6 games. Mabuhay Pilipinas, I'm Ruben Terrado and thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel and thank you for reading us as well, no, sa spin.ph. At himayin natin, no, yung Game 6 na kung saan nagwagi nga itong San Miguel sa score na 107-96 upang tapusin ang serye 4 games to 2. So ang Beermen ang nagkampiyon nga po sa Philippine Cup, reclaiming the crown after losing to Meralco last season. Ay nakabalik na sila sa taas ng bundok ika nga, no, ng Philippine Cup na talagang dinomina nila, no, for the last 10 seasons, no. I believe they won 7, no. Kung hindi tayo nagkakamali, no, they won their 7th title in 10 seasons, no, dito sa Philippine Cup. And again, they are back on top dito sa conference, the most prestigious of them all. Sinasabi nga nila dahil nga all Filipino yung torneo, no. So ano ba yung mga keys to this ball game, no? Paano nga ba nagwagi ang San Miguel sa TNT dito sa laban na ito, no, sa Game 6? Well, for one, the biggest reason I believe, no, kung bakit nanalo ang San Miguel in this game was yung rebounding. They dominated itong TNT, no, in rebounds. And kung titingnan nga natin yung stats, 48 rebounds for San Miguel and only 25 for TNT. So kita nyo naman, no, talagang total domination, no, yung pinakita nitong San Miguel Beermen in terms of rebounds. And that was contrary to Game 5 na out-rebound sila by 1. Although 1 lang yon, but yung TNT set the tone in Game 5 with a 16-8 advantage in rebounds nung Game 5. And for this game, no, nakita mo naman, 25 rebounds lang ang TNT. That's 9 more than the 16 rebounds na kanilang tinala doon sa game nila nung Game 5. So talking about domination nga sa boards, ay yun, bumalik yung domination ng San Miguel sa ilalim, no, and talagang they asserted themselves in this game pagdating sa ilalim, no. So again, ito isa pang dahilan ng kanilang pagkapanalo in this game, yung third quarter field goal shooting, no. Dito na po kasi lumayo ang San Miguel dito sa quarter na to, no, dito sa third quarter na kung saan ay San Miguel shot 16 of 24 from the field, no. 63%, grabe po yan, no. 63%, napakataas na shooting yan. And comparing that to TNT, who only had 8 of 17 from the field, and that is 48% from the field, no. So ito, tinatry nating balikan yung ating mga notes. Tinitingnan natin yung ating stats to, you know, makita pa natin yung mga naging difference, no, dito sa ball game na ito. But again, ito talaga yung nag-pull away yung San Miguel. I believe they scored 34 points in this quarter, no, kung di tayo nagkakamali. At talagang doon na talaga lumayo itong San Miguel dito sa third quarter na ito, na kung saan nga ay talagang nagpakita ng angas nga, kung matuturing na natin itong San Miguel. Talagang pinakita nila yung kanilang domination and again yung kanilang depth, no, pinakita rin nila. At ito mga key players for this game, CJ Perez with 24 points dito sa larong ito, and that is a big improvement from his 5 points in Game 5. So ang laki ng inakyat ng linaro ni CJ Perez. And talagang perfect timing yung pinakitang laro ngayon ni CJ Perez, who scored 14 points in the second quarter, no. And that's also 16 in the first half. At dahil nga dun sa pinakita ni CJ Perez sa first half, ay lumamang ang San Miguel 52-47 at the half. Junmar Fajardo, of course, no, Naisulat nga natin sa ating recap, no, sa spin na a title, San Miguel title won't be without a sterling performance from Junmar Fajardo, who had 24 points and only missing one shot, no. Tres pa yun, no, yung namintis ni Junmar Fajardo, but the rest of his attempts were inside, no. 11 of 11 from 2-point range. And he also grabbed 12 rebounds, no, para dito kay Abay, the 8-time MVP and the best player of the conference dito sa Philippine Cup. But in the man of the moment, no, for this Game 6 was Jericho Cruz, who also contributed here with 13 points, 9 in the third. Tumulong siya dun sa pag-pull away ng San Miguel, where the Beermen scored, tama nga, no, 34 points, outscoring TNT 34-20. At 9 nga dun sa na-score ng San Miguel ay from Jericho Cruz. He also added 4 rebounds and 6 assists. And because of his consistent play throughout the final series, ay nagwagi nga si Jericho Cruz ng finals MVP. So yan po yung isa sa mga talagang naging key players ng San Miguel. Ang daming heroes actually, no, for the entire series, and even in this game, Don Trollano also contributed with 12. And then Mota Utua with 10 points. Tapos si Rodney Brondial also contributed sa rebounds with 10 rebounds. I believe this is the first time in this final series na nag-double digit si Rodney Brondial pagdating sa rebounds. Good job for Rodney Brondial in helping out, no, pagdating sa boards. At dahil nga doon ay nakatulong siya upang ma-neutralize yung bigs ng TNT, no. And again, they only had 25 rebounds. No one in the TNT side rebounded in double digits. The highest was actually dalawa sila, no, si Calvin Oftana and Kelly Williams with just 4 rebounds. So nakita naman ninyo yung talagang assertiveness ng San Miguel pagdating sa ilalim, being led by Junmar Fajardo. But again, itong final series, si Jericho Cruz talaga yung masasabi natin na naging consistent talaga yung linaro. Junmar Fajardo also one of them, but itong si Jericho Cruz made some big shots down the stretch in crucial stretches ng game, no. In fact, nung game 3, I believe, no, he had 24 points, no, if di tayo nagkakamali. We will check on the numbers of Jericho Cruz, no, in game 4 actually, no. Game 4, he had 23 points, no, dito sa game 4 dito sa seryeng ito, no. So yun nga, si Jericho Cruz winning the finals MVP. Now, pakinggan natin yung mga sinabi, no, after the game. And unahin natin si Coach Leo Austria, no, na winning his 10th PBA crown and his first since returning to the helm, no, sa head coach, no. Kung matatanda natin, si Coach Leo Austria was, pwede natin sabihin na relegate into a consultancy role noong 2022, and then he made this return during the Commissioner's Cup midway in that conference, and in his first full conference back as head coach ng San Miguel ay dinala niya yung San Miguel sa kampyonato. Pahinga natin si Coach Leo Austria.
Napakahirap isipin na nakuha ko itong 10th championship ko, na I thought na hindi na mapunta sa akin for the reason na there's a lot of team really working hard and then leveling up, getting their team really strong, but we are fortunate and we're able to get this 10th championship. Actually, this is our 7th championship in the All Filipino without a loss. But of course, this championship will not happen if not for the players. Katulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, I will not become a good coach if the players will not work hard to win a championship. And utang ko sa kanila ito. But in the past few conferences, so we're struggling, especially in the last conference. We're not able to make it to the playoffs. And I think that situation give us a lot of interest to play really hard this conference, because this is a all Filipino conference, and I'm happy for this those player talagang nag-step up and they realizes na this is our conference. And of course, with the support of management, especially Boss Ramonang, and then before the semifinals, he talked to me, Coach, we want to win a championship. And I said, I will do my best, boss, but expect these players really want to win. And that's what happened. And also, Coach Al Francis Chua was really very supportive dito sa series namin. And from game 1 up to game 6, he is with us and then giving his words of wisdom.
Okay, yan po si Coach Leo Austriano discussing yung naging kanilang achievement of winning the Philippine Cup. Nagpasalamat sa mga bossing ng San Miguel at again, katulad ng laging sinasabi ni Coach Leo Austriano, yung lagi niyang kinekredit yung kanyang mga players, deflecting the credit to him, dinideflect niya, dinadala niya sa mga players yung credit no dito sa championship na ito. Now let's listen to Jericho Cruz no, who talked about his winning this finals MVP dito sa Philippine Cup finals. So,
yes,
ito, pakinggan natin ang statements
ang
ni
nangyari
Jericho
sa amin, hindi kami nakapag-playoff kagad nung the last conference ba yun. So, ayun, bumalik na si Coach. Actually, di nga kami nakapagpahinga kasi si Coach, kahit sabi mo may baha, kailangan mo na sa practice kayo. Pero ayun, worth it naman. Tingnan mo, saan naman kami ngayon. Kaya, na-appreciate namin kay Coach yun. Simula pa lang ng off-season namin, talagang nakatutok siya sa amin. From day one talaga. Kaya, ayun, nagbunga yung mga pinapagawa ni Coach sa amin. Pero at the end of the day, kami mga player, sumusunod na naman kami sa mga pinapagawa ng mga coaching staff. Pero yung championship na to, sobrang sarap. Kasi kakabalik lang ni Coach Leo ulit. At the same time, nalo din ako ng award na which is bonus lang naman. Pero diba, sobrang di ko maisip, hindi ko mapinta kung anong mga words na dapat kong sasabihin ngayon. Pero gusto ko lang din mag-thank you kay Boss Arisay, tsaka kay Boss Al. Siyempre dahil kinuha nila ako sa NLEX, gumanda yung buhay ko dahil napunta ako sa San Miguel. And at the same time, yung mga coaching staff, si Coach Leo, actually kagabi nga nag-text nga ako kay Coach. Basta sa amin na lang yan. Basta Coach, sabi ko, ready lang ako. And pag kailangan mo, andito lang ako, sabi ko kay Coach. Talagang inano ko talaga siya eh. Ayun, nagbunga naman yung uli nga.
Sinunod ko naman eh.
Pero ayun, gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa mga coaching staff, especially kay Coach Leo, sa tiwala na binibigay sa akin every game, itong series na to. And sa mga coaching staff, sila Coach George, sila Coach B-Boy, sila Coach Pete, sila Coach Ato na kahit nandyan sila palagi, kahit natatalo kami, nandyan sila palagi na nagre-remind sa amin mga players. So, ayun, yun ang gusto kong pasalamatan na. Tsaka si Boss Al pala, yung ginagawa sa akin ni Boss Al iba kasi minomotivate niya ako every time na nakikita kami na laruin mo lang yung laro mo, hayaan mo na yung mga haters mo dyan kasi it's just basketball lang naman eh. Hindi ka naman nananakit or hindi naman eh. Kumbaga emotional lang ang tao ko eh. So doon ko nakukuha yung energy ko sa pag celebrate, doon ko nakukuha yung power ko eh. Yung lakas ng loob, ganun. So ayun, I'm just very happy na nag-champion kami ngayon. Makapagpahinga ng konti. And siguro waiting na lang kami sa kay coach kung kailan kami babalik ulit. Pero yun nga pala, may FIBA pa pala ako. Hindi ko may FIBA pala ako, sorry.
Okay, yan po ang pahayag ni Jericho Cruz no, after winning the finals MVP as well as yung Game 6 no, of the Philippine Cup Finals. At dahil nga sa panalong yan ay champion na po ang San Miguel dito sa conference na ito. So i-recap lang natin, no? I-review natin yung naging journey ng San Miguel dito sa Philippine Cup. And again, the Beermen finished first in the elimination round with an 8-3 win-loss record. And then tinalo nila ang Meralco sa quarterfinals, no, getting a sort of measure of revenge, no, dahil nga yung Meralco yung nakatalo sa kanila last season sa Philippine Cup Finals. And then tinalo rin nila yung Barangay Ginebra in 7 games, no? Hard-fought games against Ginebra, the runners-up in the past 2 conferences. And then tinalo nga nila yung TNT in the finals in 6 games na daming nangyari, no? Controversy in game 1, and then yun na nga yung mga controversial statements din ni TNT team manager Jojo Lastimosa regarding kila Chris Ross and Jericho Cruz. So ang daming nangyari, no? Talagang very colorful ika nga itong naging final series between San Miguel and TNT, but in the end it was San Miguel who conquered the Philippine Cup, and dahil nga dyan ay tinapos, no, ng San Miguel yung bid ng TNT na makakuha ng Grand Slam for the second time, dahil nga the first time was in 2011 na tinalo rin ng San Miguel ang TNT dun sa third conference in the Governor's Cup that season. And then after 14 years, ginawa uli ng San Miguel yon na dinisappoint nila ang TNT at pinigilan yung bid ng TNT na makakuha ng Grand Slam. So yun na po yung ating recap ng Game 6. At dyan na po nagtatapos yung 49 season ng PBA. So another fruitful season for the PBA. And we look forward to the 50th season that will come in October. So yun po yung nating aabangan in the next few months. But yung susunod naman na ating aabangan yung Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup in August. But for now, no, dyan na po nagtatapos yung PBA, and we thank you, no, yung ating mga viewers and subscribers for watching our videos sa YouTube, yung ating mga recaps, as well as yung mga interviews natin. And hopefully, no, in the coming off-season ng PBA ay sasamahan nyo pa rin kami. You'll be watching our videos, and we will try our best to get interviews and more videos, no, during the off-season, whether it's PBA or Gilas. Ay susubukan natin gumawa pa, no, ng mga videos in order for you, no, na ma-informed kayo, no, about the latest happenings, not just in the PBA but also with FIBA and even other sports, no, sa abot ng ating makakaya. So again, marami pong salamat, no, for watching us in our recaps, and we will see you more of our recaps ng itong mga klaseng videos, no, in the next few months. Again, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'm Ruben Terrado of Spin.ph. Marami pong salamat. And we will see you next time. And mabuhay po tayong lahat. And at least for this PBA tournament, we will see you next season.